Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to draw this super cool sticker style doodle in IBIS painters. This is travel based doodle creation. So let's start. First I am just opening the 3:4 ratio landscape canvas, and I am using the vertical symmetry tool to draw the van. I'm using a felt tip pen brush. So because felt tip pen gives the good finish, and the line look, every stroke looks very clear. So I'm using that brush, and I'm gonna draw each and every element in separate layer and arrange them. Finally I'm gonna do that sticker style. So once I'm done with this element, when I'm just hiding the layer and creating a new layer, I'm gonna draw this luggage, because when I have that element visible over there, and it will, like, the screen will be disturbing, so I'm just hiding it behind and drawing the new element in a new layer, separating it, because a doodle you can usually draw in a single layer itself, but I prefer drawing in separate layer because I'm using vertical symmetry tool, so it gives me clear vision. So I'm just doing in a separate layer, but you can do as you wish. And I'm done with the second element, drawing the third one now. So I'm using the line tool here. Whenever you have to draw a line or circle, something like that, make sure you use tools available in the app, because they have provided so much useful tools. So I always prefer using line tool when I want to draw a line. Though there is a stabilizer option, but I don't prefer it. I rather go to that line tool. So drawing the next, I'm going to books together. Once I'm done with that book, I'm just gonna duplicate the layer and performing transform, just increasing the size a little bit. And next I'm drawing the umbrella. I'm using a circular ruler tool to draw this half circle for the umbrella. And it's over. And next I'm going to draw the day and night. So one side it is day and sun, and another side it is moon, to represent the travel on the day and night. So I used the star brush, which you can see in the brushes option. And keep your art simplified as much as possible, because the doodle is all about the lines and how you bring a concept using just the lines. So all the elements I need, I just created a text layer to create text travel. um, if you want to use brushes, any brush in text layer, you can't use immediately. So just once you type the text, just click on the filter option. The text will get rasterized and transformed, so then you can use the brush tool in the same text layer. Otherwise you can't use the you can't use any brush, any other thing in text layer. Just you can add few more text like that. Other than that you cannot do anything. So do that, and I'm changing and checking the background color. So once I'm done with the text, I'm going to perform that sticker style to that text. So I'm just opening filter. First I used stroke both filter, and then now using drop shadow filter. So Using these two filters you get this style. And when I'm done with it, I'm just arranging the doodle elements to make it look like more clear and beautiful. So once I arrange, I'm just merging all the layer together. You can instead you can do filter apply filter in each and element in a separate layer, but I'm merging all together just to you can instantly do it. So thanks it, that's why. So okay, the final look is ready. I hope you like tutorial. If you uh, want to learn more in this app about IBIS Paintex or Infinite Painter, something related to illustration, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.